Hi everyone, welcome to another Mama Elephant intro video. This is Rena. Today we have two new super fun agendas. These are one of my favorite kind of stamp sets that Mama Elephant offers. We're going to play with the little Panda agenda and also the little Boo agenda, which is so super cute. Both of these are so super cute. And we're also going to pair these two stamp sets with the star grid window. I'll also let you take a peek into my planner because I thought these were so cute that I did decorate my planner with them. So I have a couple pictures of that to share as well. Both of these sets are super easy to color. You're only really coloring the accessories that come with the little pandas or ghosts. So I'm just doing this one kind of a rainbow primary color theme, super easy. I'm just coloring everything kind of the normal color. I did not shade in the pandas themselves because I personally have a tendency to color the whole thing gray. So I just left them white, but these were so fun. They have these different accessories and you can make cute little scenes or you can use them on your planner. And I did use them on my planner and it came out so cute. I have all of the agenda sets, almost all of them, and I never actually used them on my planner. And when I did, I'm like so obsessed. After we've added all the color, I'm just going to throw on mounds and mounds of blush. I like doing that. I believe I used R20 for the blush. And then now we're going to prepare our background. We're going to work with the new star grid window, and that's what it looks like here. This is a really nice cover die. It cuts out that cover plate. Also, the inside pieces you can also use as well as embellishments. You get the stars as well. I have a little pile of them on the side. I'm not going to use them for this card, but I'm going to save them because they have some nice rainbow stripes. I wanted to make this card super simple, so I did cut out a piece of pattern paper, and then I'm going to, I believe, triple stack this just so there's some dimension in the stars. So I cut out two more pieces of the star grid window in white, and I'm just adhering them on top of each other, making sure that my pretty piece that I cut with the pattern papers on top. And then I'm going to put kind of a backer piece here. So there is a white background behind the stars. I've cut out my Panda agenda using the coordinating dies, and then now I've selected some to put on my star grid window. The ones that I didn't use, I will use for a different card, and I believe I did use them for the Stampede. But for this card in particular, I used all of the ones that had accessories with it, and so cute. I'm going to make this a birthday card, so I did stamp out a sentiment from the Birthday Wishes stamp set, which is my favorite. I stamped that out in blue. I'm calling this card done. I'm going to pop it on a card base, and we're done here. So I did want to show you what my planner looked like. Y'all, this came out better than I had imagined or had envisioned. I do a little bit of the planning. I like decorating my planner. I'm not hardcore, but I really loved how this came out. So one of the concerns with, stamping on your planner is the bleed through. So I did stamp all of these Panda agenda images on sticker paper, and then I colored it with Copics. I found out that Copics are the only medium that's in my craft room right now that can color pretty evenly on the sticker paper, and that's just one layer, just like a wash of color. And then I cut it out from the sticker paper, and that way you're not writing directly on your planner page, and then there's no bleed through because it's on a sticker, and then I sticked it on. And then I used different Mama Elephant stamp sets. I love balloons, you guys know that. And then I used washi tape, just to add more color, and I love the balloons. And then a lot of my Christmas sets have all of these different little stamps that work perfect, like the little stars, the little banner. I believe that's from Sentiments from a Yeti. So I just decorated my planner real quick using the agenda stamp set. So I can't wait to use my other sets to do the same thing because this was really fun to do, and it's really fun to make the stickers. Okay, let's take a look at the final card. I love kind of stacking that cover die to make dimension on the star grid banner. Love it. So now we have to get into a spooky mood, and we're going to make a card using the Little Boo agenda. These guys are super cute. So I kind of wanted to ease into Halloween and autumn crafting. So I am using pattern paper to cut out the star grid die. We're going to make a super fun shaker card. I'm just using orange as kind of my theme here. I will list out the Copic marker colors I used. Again, this is super easy to color because for me, ghosts are white. So I'm just coloring the accessories, and I'm kind of using candy corn colors. And I'm trying not to shade in the ghosts with gray because I just tend to overdo it on the gray. So I am giving them a little shading. I'm just using kind of like a mustard kind of orange color to give my ghost kind of like an orange little glow because I want it to match with the pattern paper that I'm using. The color I'm using for this shading, now that I'm looking at it, is the E50, which is typically what I use for skin tones. For some reason, I have been obsessed with using E50 for making shadows. I've just been obsessed with making shadows using something other than gray, but that's what I'm using for this particular card here. This was really fun to color. I liked the ending result because everything kind of matched, and I like the candy corn color theme, and I really love making Halloween cards. It's one of my favorite things to do. I love this set so much. I like the little sentiments that it comes with too. It has 3 of them. I love my boo, boo, and booyah, which is so adorable. So when I made my card, I used all 3 sentiments because I couldn't just pick just one. So here's what my colored images ended up looking like. So let's make a shaker card. First, I've cut out my front panel using the pattern paper in orange. Then I've cut out a piece of acetate and I put that behind the pattern paper. And then now I'm going to adhere 4 of the star grid covers together, and adhering 4 of these together, one on top of each other, it will be thick enough to create a shaker well. And for my shaker bits today, I'm just going to use some mini black stars because I kind of wanted to go with the star theme. So now that I've stacked my 4 star grid windows, I'm going to adhere that behind the acetate. And I'm doing that right here. And it just creates the perfect little well to put these tiny little shaker bits in. I'm using some mini black stars here. I think that's just the perfect Halloween accessory. And then when I'm done filling up my shaker wells, I'm going to glue down my backer piece, and I'm going to make sure that it's tightly adhered so none of the shaker bits escape. I've taken my images and I've cut them out using the coordinating dies, and then now I'm just placing them around the little stars in the star grid banner. I always like to pick a favorite stamp in every stamp set that I have, and this one, my favorite, is the mummy ghost. So cute, I can't even. I love it. So we're just going to finish that off, and then we're going to stamp out some sentiments. I stamped all 3 of them because I could not choose. And then we're just going to just lay them down all around the front of the card. So once that is complete, we're going to just adhere this card panel on a card paste, and we are calling this card done. Okay, so here is a look at the final card. I love this one. I love the sound that it makes when it shakes also. It came out really cute. So here is a look at my planner. I kind of did it the same way that I did the Panda images. I just used different little images from different Mama Elephant stamp sets, and I colored it on sticker paper using Copic markers. And I also used just different little stamp sets and used washi tape just to add color. And I really like how this little came out. And it comes, the Boo agenda comes with these little candies, and I used it on the right side there for a checklist type thing. I think it came out so cute. So that is a look at my planner using the Boo agenda. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Mama Elephant YouTube channel and tap on that bell to get notified of future videos. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Happy crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.